Tell me about the virtual reality or augmented reality projects that you've been working on previously, or are you doing some now?
Yes, I'm now making a pilot with City of Helsinki and Forum Video. I am making this. I win this innovation competition, and the idea is to make this augmented reality view. We call it a window to the future of Helsinki, so that all the Helsinki city plans can be viewed by the citizens with augmented reality. Anywhere in the city, you can open your mobile and see how the Helsinki looks in the future.
Cool.
And we have a pilot project in Pasila for that, and I hope that will be a good success. But I see the augmented reality as because there is so many data that is actually already in geolocation around you.
Yeah.
But the normal way now looking at this data is that you have maybe 5 different systems where you get the data, and you go to the system, you searching, you zooming, you rotating until you find yourself in the data and what is around you. But augmented reality is a natural thing that you open the phone and you look the data around you. So that's a natural interface. So I think the augmented reality in construction will be very good tool for accessing any information, because that way the information is right away in correct position, and then you can do whatever you do with the information. So.
Do they already have all the data for the augmented reality models, or do you have to do something by yourself? And because when I understood that the city of Helsinki, the area plans, the city plans, asemakaava, it's only lines, pretty much.
Yeah, of course, the official asemakaava or area plan design is a 2D drawing, but typically they always make a 3D model because they want to show the decision makers how it looks like, and of course the architects or engineers who design that, they will make a model, and depending on the phase of the project, which is early planning phase, maybe it's a very simple mass model, but then it gets into design phase, you start getting BIM models, and in the construction phase you already have constructible models, and in the final stage you also have the as-built there. So with the augmented reality you can actually see the point cloud and the design model together and see if there is any difference. And you can do the quality inspection maybe with the AR and a lot of different possibilities.
I really hope they start using that then, because it's an enormously great communication tool for the people in the city, because I think many times people might not be, or they are opposed to the plans because they don't understand. When you show asemakaava, the city area plan, you just see lines and then there's 5 stories and some green area, but you can make a really beautiful model, and then they can see this amazing through this amazing technology that this will actually look really nice, and that will take away a lot of the resistance.
Yes, and I know many projects that has been delayed 1 or 2 years because of resistance. I think, for example, Länsi Metro was delayed 1 year because of this kind of resistance at one point. And you know how much it costs 1 year in the project, because if only the construction cost increases 3% every year, how much this 3% is in Länsi Metro? So you don't talk about tens of, maybe hundreds of thousands of